Hey everyone, this is Bicky here, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make $2,000 every single day and how I made over $28,000 in last 3 months. So guys, this program, this system is called E1U Live, and if I go to affiliate dashboard here, you can see that I made about 79,077 dollars. Okay, so guys, I made this in little more than 3 months. Okay, so basically guys, this is a high ticket program where they pay up to $2,000 for every single sale. That's how I was able to make $79,000 in such a less time. Okay, so guys, now let me go ahead and let me show you what other people are making and how you can get started on the same system. So guys, let me go ahead and show you, like as you can see here, this person right here, he made $2,000. Okay, and he says $2,000 while sleeping. And then here is another person by the name of Jonah. He says first sale just came in, thanks for this amazing system. So guys, this person by the name of Jonah, he also made $2,000 and it was his first ever sale. Okay, so it's not like that only a pro marketer is making money, but even the beginners, the newbies are getting sales from this system. Okay, now let me go ahead, and this person by the name of Bambis, he also made $2,000 commission. And then this person Simeon, he made 29 grand. Okay, so other than me, many people are getting results as well. Okay, so now guys, let me show you how you can get started and how you can set up this system. So guys, like I told you, this is a high ticket affiliate program. Okay, and they pay you up to $2,000 for every single sale. So this is the back office of the program. Okay, this is the back office. So what happens is, you will click the link in the description box and you will land on this page. Okay, so you're gonna click get started and you will create a free account here on this form. Okay, and you will fill it and then you're gonna click submit. Then what will happen is, you will land on the dashboard of this system. Okay, but before you start making money, you need to activate your package. So like as you can see, there are multiple packages: Vertex Live, Vertex Pro, Vertex Elite. Okay, and there are some more packages here. At each package you can see what are the products that you are getting. So there are several packages, as you can see here. So what I personally did, I went for the Vertex Live package because that's how I'm able to make $2,000 for every single sale. Like as you can see, this person made $2,000 here. Okay, then this person made $2,000 here. So these people are making $2,000 because they are at the Vertex Live package. Okay, so what you can do, you can go for the Vertex Live package, or you can go for the Vertex Pro, or whatever package that you want to start at. So you're gonna go for those packages and you will activate your system. So once you will activate your system, guys, you will land on your back office again. So you're gonna click on affiliate dashboard here, and then you will scroll down and here you will click my links. Okay, once you will click that, you will see these are your affiliate link. Okay, here you can see these are all your affiliate links. Okay, so the only job you have to do is send the traffic to your affiliate link. That's it. Okay, so you will simply copy this affiliate link, like let's say this one. So you will copy your affiliate link and your job is to send traffic to your affiliate link, right? So what I'm doing, guys, I'm using TikTok free traffic and I'm using paid YouTube ads. So these are the methods that you can use to send traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna do two steps here. The step number one, okay, is message me on Facebook saying you activated the E1U Live. Okay, like I mean, you need to pick the package and activate your system. So message me saying you activated the even you life, and then I will give you the training on how to drive traffic to your affiliate link using TikTok and paid YouTube ads. Okay, so this is the two steps that you have to do here so that you can make a commission like me, okay, here, or like all these people here, like $2,000, $2,000, $2,000. So this is a very easy system, guys. Okay, you don't have to do a lot of work here. It's kind of automated. So your only job is to send the traffic to your affiliate link. That's it. Okay, so if you want to make this big commission, this $2,000 commission, then simply go ahead and do these two steps.